Hello everyone. Today I am here to give you a quick introduction and how to get set up on Freegal. Freegal is a music resource that we have available, and you can find the links for that through the Kanawha County website or KCPL from home. You can also download the Freegal app through your mobile device's app store. Now, to access Freegal from our website, in this case KCPL from home, simply go to the home page, scroll down until you get to the online services collection, and then choose Freegal. Click on that, and that will bring you directly to the Freegal website. Now, Freegal will require you to log in with your card number and PIN in order to access the material. So in this case, we just simply type in our card number and then type in our PIN. Now, we'll ask you to accept the terms and conditions. I've read through this multiple times, so I'm just going to skip over that. They also give you the option to opt into their twice weekly email reminders. We are going to just cancel in for the purpose of this demonstration, but you are welcome to do so, as it will keep you up to date on materials you have checked out, as well as keeping track of things that you enjoy. Now, at this time, you can download 3 songs per week, and at the moment, we are up to unlimited streaming. If that ever changes, you will find the amount of streaming per day listed here in hours and minutes. Now, the best part of Freegal is it's a wide collection of music, mostly from Sony's collection as well as a couple other record labels, and this includes the global collection, not just the United States. If you are looking for a specific band, you can simply type that in up here in the search box. You can also search for a number of other search criteria, including topics like meditation, or you can type in a song title. In this case, I'm going to see what is available from the band Coldplay. Now, you'll notice that it is a keyword search, so it is looking up everything from the artist name to the title of the song, or even the name of the album. Just for the example here, we're just going to pick one at random, and you will see, in this case, the collection of songs on the on this particular album. If you wish to stream it, you can either press the stream button here, or if you want to build a custom playlist, you can use this function here to add to playlist or create a new playlist. If this is a song that you wish to keep, you may press the download button here, which will use one of your downloads, which again will reset every week on Sunday. It will be available in your home section, under the My Music collection, and that's where you'll find all of the songs that you have selected to download. That concludes our basic tutorial of Freegal. I hope that helps you get started. Please enjoy it when you have the opportunity to do so. Should you have any questions, please do not hesitate to reach out to us through the KCPL website's chat service or on our Facebook page. Enjoy listening and have a good day.